I'm Chris with Oakwood Veneer, your go-to source for all things wood veneer. Today we're going to talk about the difference between sequencing and book matching. While they are similar, they are different as well. So I have a stack of veneer, all cut from the same log, what's known as a flitch. You can see the darker area here is the heartwood from the tree, but also along the outer edge here is the lighter color from the sapwood. If we're going to book match this, we flip one piece at a time, just like you would pages of a book. We get a very distinct pattern that shows that sapwood in the center. But even though these 3 sheets of veneer are the same species of wood, 2 of them are matched. These 2 have the same color and grain pattern, as opposed to this 3rd sheet. It is not the same color or pattern, even though it is the same species. 2 of these sheets are sequenced with one another, meaning the color and the pattern and the grain are going to be very similar to one another. If I was to try to use this panel with this sheet, it would not have the uniform color or grain pattern that you would want. So these are 2 examples of independent walnut sheets that are not sequenced to one another, and an example of 2 sheets that are sequenced together. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. For more helpful tips and tricks, visit oakwoodveneer.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. Feel free to leave a comment or email us with any questions.